Hi. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at creating and importing modules. So let's say I want to know the area of a circle, and I'm going to use that a lot. I could write a function and stick it in this program, and that would be okay. But if I'm going to use it in a lot of different programs, I actually want to write it once. So what I can do is I can click on this plus sign and create basically my own module, just like these modules over here that somebody else wrote. And I'll just call it TED.py. I think you're going to call yours useful. And in this one, all I'm going to do is write a function. So def, what did I call it? Circle area. Circle area. And I'm all going to pass it as the radius. So let's just call that radius. And I'm going to return, because what I want to do is when this is called, this function, when it's called here, to have this whole thing replaced by whatever this returns. So let's see. The area is pi r squared. So I'll just do it this way. I can do 3.14. That's close enough. That's pi times radius times radius. I guess it helps to spell that right. So that's return pi times r squared. Cool. So we go back. Now, if I run this, I get an error message, and it says, name circle area is not defined on line 5. So what I need to do is import it. So I type from, and it's called TED. I can ignore the py part, which just says it's Python. I'm going to just import everything. So I write import star. And if I run it now, I get 28.26. So let's just go check area of circle calculator. And so if it has a radius of, I think I put in 3, it won't be exactly right because they have a much better. Let's see, what are we going to get? Oh, the area is about 28.27. And we got 28.26 because our pi wasn't quite as good. If we wanted to fix that, actually, one thing we could do is we could say from math import star, and then we can just put, I don't know if it's capitalized. Let's try lowercase, see if it works. And there we go, 28.2743, whatever. So what I did here is there's a module called math, and in that it actually has a thing called pi out to a whole bunch of digits. So I hope that helps, both importing, how to call a function, because what I'm saying here is print down here in the console, and it says run circle area, the function, and I'm passing it the number 3 because that's what radius is. So when this goes, it says, okay, I'm just going to take 3 times 3, that's 9, times pi, which is 3.14159, return that value, and write it down there. Good luck with your coding. Have fun.